For those of you who have been following the channel for a while, know that I am an ambassador for Fujifilm, which I think puts me in a pretty unique situation to review the Nikon ZF, the other guy's attempt at a full-frame retro camera. Now, as there is a lot of fuel here for me to be very biased against the ZF in this video, I'll just list my top 5 favourite things about the ZF as a Fujifilm shooter and the one thing I hated. Number 1. The dials. Initially I was very negative towards these as they just felt different. However, the more I use them, the more I love them. They are heavy, metal, solid, sound fantastic, but just looked a little cheap. I think it's because the text to black is such a contrast, but then I found out the dials are made from brass and designed to be worn out, and these will look better with age the more you use the camera, and I love that. Physically, the look of worn dials and the encouragement to use your camera a lot. Number 2, ISO performance. This isn't something I've compared to every other camera, but compared to my Fujis, there is a very noticeable difference in noise at higher ISOs. The camera is full frame, so there should be a step up, but 24 megapixels on a full frame sensor is just a very nice combination. Number 3, the way they worked in the PASM mode selection. Having it more mechanical like the rest of the dials without having a dedicated dial just for it like the X-H series from Fujifilm has is my kind of way of having the best of the X-T and the X-H series cameras all in one. Number 4, having a dedicated black and white option right next to the photo and video options. This might be a small personal one, but I love it. Yes, your RAWs will still be in colour, but instead of leaning into a bunch of other looks, just caring about black and white is far more timeless and far more me. And number 5 is the straight out of camera files. As a Fuji shooter, this is something we really like to lean on, and I'll be honest here, I think the ZF got pretty lucky for my test work as it was done over a very foggy few days, and I love foggy days. And every single shot, to me, just felt rewarding. And even editing the RAW files still felt very comfortable to me. But finally, the one negative, which I feel is a big flaw, is the darn grip and neck strap lugs. Holding this camera is not comfortable for me. I switched over to an underslung grip quite a bit, pressing the shutter with my thumb, but this is not ergonomic for when you want to use the EVF. There is a solution though. Nikon make a grip extension for this camera, and I would 100% feel that is necessary given the ergonomics. But honestly, a lot of wins, and surprised it hasn't stolen more from the Fujifilm hype. Well done to the Nikon ZF.